Hello friends, my name is Dr. Anand Patel. I am a gynecologist by profession and I am a infertility specialist and endoscopic surgeon working in a motherhood women's and childcare hospital. Today we will going to talk for infertility in a brief. IVF basically is a in vitro fertilization, what we call in a layman's language is a test tube baby. In a natural couple, when pregnancy happens inside the body naturally, and in an IVF procedure we take oocytes and sperms outside the body and make embryos and then transfer to the uterus of the female, and then pregnancy happens. And nowadays there is no age bar for a IVF treatment, so from the 20 years to the 50 years of any female can go for the such kind of treatment. See, before going to the IVF test tube baby, so there are certain type of patients only they require IVF treatment. So if patient undergone a 5 to 6 IUI, what we call is intrauterine insemination procedure, if they fail, then only IVF is required. If patient has a bilateral tubal blockage, if patient has a tuberculosis, and if patient is trying for a long-standing treatment, and then also if they are not conceiving, then only IVF treatment is needed in those patients. See, in a infertility per se, there are ovulation induction. First, we stimulate the ovary and plan for a natural pregnancy to the patients. Then comes intrauterine insemination (IUI), and if then patient doesn't conceive, then only IVF comes for the treatment. And IVF also, there are different types. What we call is a self-stimulation, where a genetic material is from the couple themselves only. If patient is a 40 plus of age, or if female undergone a menopause symptoms, then comes a oocyte donation treatment. In such type of patients, we take oocytes from the other female and fertilize with the husband's own sperms and then do the treatment. And the third last treatment is the embryo donation, where there is a problem in a female and male, both the partners. In such kind of procedure, we have to go for the embryo donation procedure. And a very rare couple, we need a surrogacy treatment. That is also available in our institute. See, nowadays with the good protocols, patient need to come only 3 to 4 visits for the entire treatment, and it requires hardly 1 or 2 months to finish the entire cycle. With the research, the scientists and doctors nowadays, when the IVF treatment started, that time results were around 20-25%, and nowadays it goes up to 70-75% in a single cycle. And almost we can say with the 2 or 3 cycles, almost near to 100% patients they conceive with the IVF treatment. Very few cases we come across with the ovarian hyperstimulation, where patient is very young and ovaries are responding very high those patients only they require 2 or 3 days of stay and require a little bit care. Otherwise there is no as such side effects of the IVF treatment. So there are legal things for such kind of treatment, especially for a surrogacy. But for other aspect, anyone from across the country, they can come into any state and take IVF treatment. So thank you very much. I would like to thanks Mediflame to provide us such a platform to our patient for online consultation. And if you have any query, you can click on the link symptom checker. So you can just fill up your symptoms and you can take consultations to any of our doctors team. Thank you very much.